They closed schools. They closed youth centers. 80% youth unemployment. Closed schools, closed youth centers. What are the young people going to do? All right, these are the questions. Deep social service cuts are part of a larger trend in unequal wealth distribution, housing crisis into the 80s. Between 78 and 86, people in the bottom 20% of the income scale experienced an absolute decline in income, whereas the top 20% experienced most of the economic growth. Blacks and Hispanics disproportionately occupied this bottom fifth. I'm going to be doing a kind of joke with a lot of different people being the father of hip hop. Robert Moses, I'm going to say, is the accidental father of hip-hop. Robert Moses, who created the Cross Bronx Expressway so that they really understand what it is with these images. Have you ever driven on the Cross Bronx Expressway? I have. It sucks. The way that urban planning has been done for the past century disproportionately targets people who cannot advocate for themselves. So if they're going to build a highway that destroys a neighborhood, are they going to build that through the neighborhood where everybody is rich?